हे स्वागत नसे प्रत्येकाच्या जीवनात जो केला घडी प्रत्येकाच्या जीवनात उत्कर्ष प्रकाशमान जावे अशी ह्या ठिकाणी जेव्हा काम करतो
दत्ता दत्ता
गोवा राज्याचे गृहमंत्री माननीय काब्राल सर यांचो पुष्पगुच्छ देऊन त्यांचो स्वागत करचो आदर राखचो हांगा उपस्थित असलेले आमचे मंत्री मायकल सर यांचो म्हणून मेदान भोवमान की आमचे चीफ टेक्निकल इंजिनियर पी सराचो भोवमान लागतो त्याचबरोबर आमचे झडपी दाबोळकर यांचोय भोवमान लागतो सरपंच उपस्थित आहात
because I know that how the people of Kalangot, the village of Kalangot have suffered over the past so many years because of inadequate power. I know the calls that you all have been calling, all our panchayat members, the Zilla member, all your calls have been coming to us with regards to power cuts every 5-10 minutes, with regards to your fridges, your ACs, your TVs not working. खूप जाणांनी खूप पंचायत मेंबरांनी तुमच्या कॉल ऐकला. Even some people have even gone to the extent of abusing because we understand your concern. When you have guests in your hotel and guest house, when they check out because you don't have electricity, it hurts us, it hurts you all as well. And with all this frustration that we had to take it out on our MLA, we used to go to his office along with our Zilla member Datta, and we used to scream and shout at him, saying that because of power, people are abusing us, people are shouting, they're losing business. But he in turn took great tremendous initiative and said, come, let's go and meet our power minister and come up with a solution. And आम्ही गेल्ले Nilesh, आमचा minister, honorable power minister's office, we met, we sat. He called all his engineers. He has a very good team under him who knows and comes up with a concrete solution. Immediately he said, I will give you a temporary solution. You will get additional power from MAPSA. So त्यांच्यानी मागे 2 lines आमकां from MAPSA additional power was brought to Kalangot. But even in that, there was issues. And I really congratulate our MLA, he stood by us. There was some issue in his village by some farmers, which they too had some concerns over the lines. But he stood by us. All the sarpanches, Kandulim Panchayat also, when it came to going to the court for those matters, we went fought in court and we got those additional power for Kalangot. So some relief was brought during the months of October, during the months of May. Most of our villagers have spent sleepless nights on one of the hottest months. May महिना केन्ना जाता, it was extremely hot. Transformer, feeder, because the temperature that also was heating up. And it should just trip. Every 10-15 minutes the lights should trip. So we understand and we feel your frustration. And we apologize for the inconvenience that has been caused to you. And we are really grateful to our Power Minister, to Michael, pursuing this matter up. And he told us, Power Minister told us, I have sanctioned a substation, you only have to give me place. And then the MLA was involved in searching for a place. That too had a story. We found a place, but then to settle, it was a communal land. But there also there was issues with tenants, there was issues with regards to landowners. So again there was a delay, again we had to suffer yet again. And then finally we are grateful to our own son of the soil, Mr. Alan Pinto and his family, his children are here with us. They came forward and gave a piece of their land at a very concessional price to the department so that this substation could come up.
ते पिंटो सर त्यांचा मुद्दा उल्लेख करता आणि या टायमार त्यांचो आदर राखता. फुलेसवादी कणसामध्येही काही कणस ढाळलेला असतात, माणसामध्ये काही माणसे व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट
जे डिसिजन आमी 2 वर्सां पयलीं घेतलेले सबस्टेशनाचेर, असल्या सबस्टेशनाच्या फावंडेशन स्टोनाच्या इनॉग्रेशनाक आमचे पावर मिनिस्टर बाबू निलेश काब्राल, तेजे चीफ इंजिनियर, सगळे तेजे एक्झिक्युटीव ऑगस्ट 2020 आमी सबस्टेशनाचे वर्क टेंडर करून 16 कोटी एक कंपनीक दिले. तेचो प्रोजेक्ट मॅनेजर हिंगा येयल्लो आसा,
प्लीज स्टँड.
हिंगा येयल्लो आहा. ताका 1 वर्स जालें आमी दिल्यार हें काम. आनी तेणे ह्या टायमार सगळे जे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर्स लागता सबस्टेशनाक हे सगळे ऑर्डर केले. आनी जे आमी प्रोसेस स्टार्ट केल्लो लँड एक्विजिशनाचो, NOC फ्रॉम कोमनीदाद ऑफ कलंगूट, NOC फ्रॉम द टेनंट्स, ही खंय तरी बजेटा भायर गेली. आयज लँड एक्विजिशनाचो प्रोसेस जो आहा हो 4 times द मनी आहा. आमकां पावर मिनिस्टरान सांगलें आपूण तुमकां मॅक्सिमम अप टू 10,000 दिता, नाजाल्यार ती फायल तुजी हिंगाच उरतली म्हणून. हांवें म्हटलें तुजे त्याच लिमिटान आमी लँड एवेलेबल करून दिता तुका. पूण जेन्ना 4 times द मनी जालें तेजो प्रायस येवपाक लागलो अरावंड 28,000. आनी पावर मिनिस्टर म्हाका सांगलें की मायकल युअर फायल वील रिमेन. You see that you make this land available with the good work of our engineers. जे तेंचे कनेक्ट आसलो बाब एलन पिंटो, जो लँड ओनर, ह्या जाग्याचो लँड ओनर, तेणे आमकां कन्सेशनल प्रायजाक ही लँड आमकां तेंच्यांनी दिली. तेजो चेडो आयज येयल्लो आहा, तो मातसो बरो ना. ही इज आवर एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट. तो जाणा कलंगूटान कितले प्रॉब्लेम आहा पळय, कितली वर्सां जाली लोक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाक कर्ज करता, आमदाराक, पंचायतीक, सगळ्यांक, पूण हें कामूच जायना. आमचे कडेन आमचे ओन सबस्टेशन नासलें. बाकीचो सगळो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमी करपाक गेले फुडें, पूण द मेन इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर दॅट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हो खंय तरी आमच्या वाटेचो फाटी उरलो. बाब एलन पिंटोन फुडाकार घेतला आनी सांगलें आपूण लँड दिता, तुमकां जाय तितली. हिंगासर येयलो, सर्वे जालो, लँड मानली. पावर मिनिस्टर आपूण खुद येयलो लँड पळोवपाक. सुप्रिटेंडिंग इंजिनियर, तेंचे SE, चीफ एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियर, एवरीबडी एग्रीड ऑन द लँड. And within a month's time, a record time, आमी फंड अवेलेबिलिटी, आमचो डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत चीफ मिनिस्टर, इन पॅन्डेमिक टायम्स, पॅन्डेमिक आसतना पासून 2.34 crores म्हणजे 2.34 lakhs एवेलेबल करून आमकां दिले आनी इमिडिएटली लँडाची सेल केली. जे ट्रान्सफॉर्मर्स ऑर्डर केल्ले आयज फावंडेशन स्टोन आमी घालता, म्हाका दिसता रिकॉर्ड टायमाचेर बाय डिसेंबर 2021 म्हणजे ह्याच वर्सा हे सबस्टेशन आमी इनॉग्रेट करपाक परतून हिंगासर येतले. आनी चड उलयना आमी, पावर मिनिस्टर सांगतलो हेचो शिवाचो वांटो. The credit of this substation, I am giving it to 2 people. One is Bab Alan Pinto and family, and second to our power minister. He went out of his way. He went out of his way to see that we purchase the land. Government केन्ना land इत्ते घेना. We took around 7 to 8 meetings with Chief Minister. जे व्हडलो प्रोसेस आसता तो प्रोसेस शॉर्ट करून लँड अवेलेबल कशी करपाची. फायल was taken from one table to the other table by our office staff, आमचो बाब ॲशली आणि तेजी टीम. आणि एक दीस पासून दवरी नासतना जेन्ना जेन्ना पावर मिनिस्टराच्या कॅबिनान येताली, एक दीस दवरी नासतना म्हणजे less than 24 hours is to sign that file and send it back down. अशें करून ही लँड आमकां अवेलेबल जाली आणि आयज आमी त्याचं फाउंडेशन स्टोन घालता.
हो भोवमान तुमचो आमी ह्या सुवातीन करता ते तुमचे गुणी आसा. धन्यवाद सर.
गोष्टी सांगतालो तितल्यो हांव करतालो आनी तेन्ना खुबश्यो गाडयो फुडें वयल्यो आनी एक गोश्ट आसतली की कलंगूट हो वाठार आनी कांडोली कलंगूट सिकेरी हो वाठार सदांच इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रॉब्लम आसताले. जेन्ना हांव पावर मिनिस्टर जालो, 7 वर्सां जाली हांव पावर मिनिस्टर जाल्यार, एक विशय आशिल्लो की हे वाठारांत आमकां सोयरे खुबशे बाकीचे जगांतल्यान येता आनी असलो इशू जावपाक जायना म्हणून मनान हांवें तेन्नाच तकलेन दवरून मायकल बाबा कडेन कंटिन्युअस मिटींग करताले. आनी करता तेन्ना एक विशय आशिल्लो तो जागो. हो जागो हो पावर स्टेशन घालपाक जाय आशिल्लें आनी हो जेन्ना जागो आमी सोदताले तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता बोडका वाडो कलंगूट आयडेंटिफाय जालो. बोडको वाडो हो आयडेंटिफाय जाल्लो. थंय कोमिदाद, हांवूय कोमिदाचो प्रेसिडेंट, हें न्ही की हांव कोमिदाद, हांवूय गांवकार आनी हांवूय म्हजे विलेजीक कोमिदाद प्रेसिडेंट 2 टायम जावन गेलो, आतां ना. पूण म्हाजें सांगपाचें कोमिदाद म्हणल्यार कितें? कोमिदाद म्हणल्यार आमचे सगळे लोकांक बरेपण करपाचे हे सुवाळो कोमिदाचो. इवन जागे आसा ते गांवकारांचे जागे जे आसा हे कोमिदाचे जागे. सो जेन्ना सबस्टेशन घालपाक हांव फुडें जालो तेन्ना प्रेसिडेंट म्हाका दिसना पूण तो आपूण दिता म्हणपाक लागलो. आनी असो प्लॅन केलो की तुमकां जाय तो जागो दिया. रस्त्या वयल्यान म्हाका दिसता 400 मिटर भितर रस्तोय आमी करपाक गेल्लो, प्लस तो जाग्यार करपाक जालो. पूण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली म्हाका दिसता 7-8 मिटिंग आमी घेतली. मायकल आशिल्ले, सरपंच शॉन आसलो, बाकीचे वांगडे आशिल्ले आनी सी आहले. पूण अनफॉर्च्युनेटली इट फेल्ड. बट किपींग इन मायंड दॅट दे वूड गीव द स्पेस आनी एमिकेबली आमकां दितले विदीन द टर्म्स एंड कंडिशन. कित्याक एक्विजिशन जर आज करपाक गेल्लो, हो जागो आमी जर 2 करोड 40 लाख रुपया घेतला, वूड हॅव बीन एक्वायर्ड बाय ओनली 5-6 lakh rupees if it was acquisition process. Acquisition process has stopped in 2013 and you cannot do acquisition process without the consent of the owner. So entire हें जें आशिल्लें हें बंद पडलें. आनी हें करता तेन्ना कोमिदा कडेन जे मिटिंगा घेतल्यो, कितलेच बरी मिटींग घेतल्यो, पूण वी कुड नॉट सक्सीड इन टेकिंग द लँड. देन म्हाजे स्टाफ जे डॅनी आसा, जो आमचो डॅनीस आसा, दे वील स्टार्टेड टेलिंग दॅट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजिनियर्स आमचो रिटायर्ड जो आसा मायकल बाबानूय सांगलें. And we started a dialogue with his family. I met him also on a number of occasions. His father is not here, but I met him on a number of occasions, convinced him. And I first of all thank his entire family. It is not easy to part with your land. हांगा जशें शहरान सांगलां, अर्दो मिटर देखून जागो रस्तो वाडोवपाक जाय आनी कितें पोल देखून घालपाक जाय. हांगा खुबशी लायट जाय आमकां सगळ्यांक. पूण तो पोल घालपाक वयता तेन्ना ऑब्जेक्शन हाडटा. पूण आख्खो आमकां तो 2000 स्क्वेअर मिटर, ऑलमोस्ट 2,000 square meters of land which has been given by the family. We have paid only 2 crores 39 lakh rupees. But if you go to see, the value is almost, I think, 6 to 7 crore rupees. Minimum 7 to 8 crore rupees is the land value. And we can't do it because the government has got limitations. How do we calculate the land value when we go for consent term? It's based on the sub-registral cost of land into 3-4 times. Unfortunately, we could not give that much land of what is the market value it costing, which is 8 crores. And fortunately, the person, the landowner, being an ex-executive engineer, Mr. Alan Pinto, understood the needs of these people, all of you here. And he agreed after, I think, 2-3 meetings with me. Michael also tried to intervene, everybody intervened. But ultimately, these works we will follow up personally, myself, Michael and his team, and my C and his team. And the contractor, we have already given a deadline that before December we should inaugurate this substation so that power problem जे ह्या वाठारांत जाताले हे काबार जावपाक जाय. पूण हांवें इनॉग्रेट करपाक लोकांनी सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. आतां केबल घालपाक लागतले कित्याक वी आर गोइंग टू पुट 11 kV ऑलमोस्ट there are almost from the feeder there will be 8 11 kV feeders going from this place. And there will be 8 cables going from this place. And we will have to dig some roads, we will require some space to put these cables to connect it. So we will have, it is there, but कितें जाता ज्यो गोष्टी जेन्ना काम करता हांवें पळयलां जे नाका जाल्यार मनीस येवन बंद करता. Maybe political interest or आनी कसलो interest म्हाका खबर ना. But as people of Kalangut, as Sarpanch of Kalangut, Katoli, Michael Ba, बाकीचे ZP, and all of you, ताका support करपाक जाय लोकांक to fix the date of December for inauguration. आणि हे हांव करूं शकना, हे तुमी सगळ्यांनी करूंक पडटलें. जाता this power station will be sufficient for any road for the minimum next 10-15 years of Kalangut. This is what is designed 2 into 20 MVA. Plus, ताका जो आमी जे equipment आसा, it is coming all from Germany. It is getting imported from Germany. That order was also placed. That is coming somewhere in first week of September. So every equipment is in the time schedule we have been following up. It will come. But ultimately, when it requires to connect to your house, your support will be required. हे तुमकां सगळ्यांक करून पडटलें. आज मायकल बाब हांव सदांच म्हणटा म्हाज्या ताजे केन्ना केन्ना तूं जाता तो मातसो आउटस्पोकन आमी मातशें इग्नोर्ड आमी व्हडलें उलयना पूण ताका कितें उलयल्यार चलोन पडटा. पूण एक गोश्ट लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय की मायकल बाब वॉज ऑल्सो कंटिन्युअसली फॉलोइंग अप एंड विथ हिज हेल्प वी कॅन अचीव दिस टुडेज गोल ऑफ पुटिंग अप अ सबस्टेशन. And putting up this substation at Kalangut is something which Michael Babu always wanted to do initially, and he and his staff have been continuously following up. I thank him for supporting electricity department for taking this initiative so that ह्या वाठाराच्या लोकांचे प्रॉब्लेम जे Kalangut जावं ते हॉटेलियर जावं ते आमचे बारीक बारीक गेस्ट हावस वा जावं ते लोकांचे घरा कडेन जे आसा सदांच म्हाका फोन येताले वाठाराचे तुमी हॉटेलां उगडी कनेक्शन दिता कोण गेस्ट हावसाक कनेक्शन दिता आनी कोणाक कनेक्शन दिता आमकां लोकांक त्रास जाता आमची लायट वयता तुमी ताका दिता पूण दीस इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस वी कांट स्टॉप एनीबडी फ्रॉम गेटिंग. सो टुडे विथ द हेल्प ऑफ एवरीबडी हांव सगळ्यांचें नांव घेना. I request the contractor that he is there with the project head. He will do this work within the required scope. आणि एक लक्षात दवरचें की ज्यो गोष्टी हे आमी करूंक सोदता there is lot of other works which we have taken up in Kalangut. Michael Sandham's LT line, the last point of coming to your house, the LT line की तो आतांय म्हाका मागतलो. It's a very big process. It is like तुमचे सुरेज चालू आसा ते भशेन कितें जाता LT लायन म्हणल्यार खंय तरी आमकां RMU घालपाक जाय. RMU घालपाक जाय, आमचे फिडर पॅनल घालपाक जाय. आतां वयल्यान पयलीं गेल्यार ते काडपाक जाय. पूण पयलीं आमकां चालू करची पयलीं वा टेंडर करची पयलीं आमकां वचून थिंगा बाबा हे जागो हो आमकां दी म्हूण पयलीं सांगूंक पडटलो. कित्याक कोणू जर फिडर पॅनल म्हणल्यार 24 वे 36 वे फिडर पॅनल जे फ्रॉम देर द लायट गोज हे रस्त्याक घालूंक जाय मायकल बाब. सो आय थिंक बिफोर टेंडरींग ऑन एनीथींग we will put footpath, internal roads also we have to put. Because we cannot extend the LT cable for a very long lengthy time because it becomes a problem. We will take up this work, but before doing this work tendering, I will request my staff, my E's and A's to make a physical inspection of the availability of the space for putting LT panels, including your RMUs at a particular location. Because transformers have been brought down into a plinth. It cannot be on a pole mounted structure. So we require at least 30 square meters, 25 to 30 square meters area in every location so that we can put this. And रस्त्यार पयलीं तुमचे रस्ते उशीर आसा. So we will inaugurate this substation and I hope all of you are behind Michael in his dreams for making Kalangut one of the best constituencies in Goa after Kuchare. So once again I thank you all and God bless you. Thank you.